In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for Amazon listings. This is a quick way to create optimized product listings that can help improve visibility and sales. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an Amazon listing. For example, I might type, "Write an Amazon product listing for a wireless Bluetooth headset." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a full listing, including a product title, bullet points, description, and keywords. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as product features, target audience, or tone. For example, I might type, "Write an Amazon listing for noise-canceling headphones with long battery life, targeting travelers." Claude can also help optimize the listing with SEO-friendly keywords and persuasive language. If needed, I can ask Claude to rewrite or improve an existing listing by pasting it into the chat. Once the listing is ready, I can copy it and upload it to my Amazon seller account. And that's it, I've successfully used Claude AI for Amazon listings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.